and welcome to my channel, Setting the Record Straight STRS Live. I'm your host, Gigi Dawn, and I welcome you once again to hear about my meal kit journey with HelloFresh. Today we will be making firecracker meatballs, and as I said in my first video, please go back and look at my first video. I talked about how I started my meal kit journey back in 2021. And so today's episode, as I stated, we will be making some firecracker meatballs, which are really delicious. They're kind of like a staple with HelloFresh. And I've seen a lot of videos on here on YouTube about HelloFresh and some of the pros and cons. And I'll get into that in some later videos. But now I just want to talk about how easy the preparation is and what goes into preparing these meal kits and how very economical and fast it is to prepare a meal for either yourself as an individual, a couple, or your family. So please enjoy this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow the channel. And please leave a comment. Hello again. Today I am going to be making one of the other preparations of the HelloFresh delivery services that I received on yesterday. So I wanted to just kind of fill everybody in on what I will be attempting to make today. So if you check out what this is going to be, the firecracker meatballs, and this is the menu. Let's see if you can see it that way. And this is the ground beef. I took it out the pack and opened it. And so, let's open the bag. Let's see what's in here. We have, once again, some scallions. I still have some carrots and scallions from yesterday, so I'm going to throw those in. I have my green beans. Jasmine rice. And I guess that's the seasonings. Some more panko. And they love some panko. And is this, oh, this is some mayonnaise. I guess they don't think you got mayonnaise in the house. Oh, a little piece of ginger. Okay, I have ginger at home. Most of this stuff I have in my home. So, but they give it to you. So, we're going to see if it comes out looking like what's in the, on the menu. So, I'll check in with you later. Bye-bye. Hello again. So, my rice is pretty much done, and now I am going to put the meatballs and the string beans, and like I said, I had some carrots left. I'm glad I did leave some carrots from yesterday because they didn't give a lot of string beans like they did the carrots on yesterday. So because this is supposed to be a serving for two, so I'm glad I kept some of the carrots because they didn't give a lot of string beans, so that will allow me to have some additional food for either later tonight if I want to have something to nibble on, or tomorrow. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so those are the meatballs that I'm about to put in the oven, and those are the string beans. I'm gonna You're supposed to preheat your oven to 475. And I'm going to put it on the bottom rack because I don't usually have a middle rack. So I kept it at 400 because it gets hot. So, but that's the rice. And so there you have it for right now. Gonna wait and see how that looks, and I'll show you how I put it on the plate. Thank you. Okay, so we are going to check on our meatballs and carrots and green beans. And what I didn't tell you is that I did cut the tips of the green beans because I don't like when the tips are on. You know, some people like it to keep the moisture in, but I'm old school, so I cut them off. So I could just go right and bite into it and crunch on them. So we're going to check and see what's going on. So, I'm quite sure you can hear the sizzle of the green beans, carrots, and meatballs. So they are looking pretty good. They got about 10 more minutes. So I will see you in about 10 more minutes. Thanks for watching our channel, Setting the Record Straight, STRS Live. Want to hear more content? Please subscribe to our channel. Click the like button, share, and follow. And please leave a comment. If you would like to see more, please check out our website at www.strslive.com.